Tarofamana spirits! Today, Mommy will be teaching us how to play an old Samoan game called Aki using just 5 rocks. And also, Daddy will be teaching us how to make a broom out of the coconut leaf. It's gonna be an awesome or amazing day. Come learn with us.
Well, today I'll be teaching my daughters how to make a broom from this coconut trunk, from the coconut tree. Okay, pick it up. Well, first we need this coconut trunk. As you can see, this is how you make a broom, or we call it Samoan broom. So you need to take out this stuff. Right? You take out this stuff. Shinehah. See if you can do it. Pull it back. Back. Like this. Here. 1, 2, 3. There you go. Yay! Yeah. Okay, do this. And you need a very sharp knife. As you can see, be very careful. It is very sharp. So you need to take out this, what you call midrib, the leaves, from the midrib of the coconut tree. You see this? That's how you do it. Yeah, hold this wire, and you need like over 100 or more. This is how you make a broom. Broom. This broken, throw it away. It's enough, right?
Like a kitty cat. It's like a kitty cat toy. It is a kitty cat toy. So this is how we make the kitty cat.
And that's how you do it. I have to finish the whole trunk. And you come up with a broom. You try it.
I don't know it.
It's okay. Just wrap your lip. Okay. What's your eye? Okay. Riah? No, Riah's not gonna. You just watch up it. You wanna try it? Okay. Watch the knife. Watch the knife. There you go. There you go. Yay! Another wing. There you go. No. The other one. Okay. No. Yeah. You see? That's how you do it.
I thought I was gonna hurt myself. I'm the holding staff.
And that's how you do it. You have to finish this, then have your broom.
Okay, do it. We're gonna film the whole thing.
What?
Don't say
If Bobby doesn't come on it, don't break it.
Don't break it.
Can't believe test tubes. They're coming all on me.
Hold it like that.
It's more exciting.
Let's see how fast Daddy goes.
From the coconut front we weave, dance of fingers never leave. Mothers hum a sweet old song, passing on the craft lifelong. Salu Lima we create, in our hearts it resonates. Sweeping old and sweeping clean, memories where love has been. Father
Way to
showed
remove the leaves.
underneath the blazing sun. Every
Okay,
twist,
good time.
every turn,
This is how you do it. See? Ooh. Okay.
in our hearts it resonates. Sweeping old and sweeping clean, memories where love has been.
Whoa!
That's how you do it. Make
Wanna
it
try
easy.
it, Shinehah?
That's very hard. See?
That guy through years
Okay. That's how you do it. Okay. Now we're gonna clean it.
stories old, bringing life to humble
Remove these ones.
where traditions sing their song. Childhood smiles shine so bright as they weave with pure delight. Lessons on the window soar, crafting brooms forevermore.
Hello, everybody.
We create
Make
in our
sure
hearts it
to
resonates.
subscribe to our video and like.
Memories where love has been. Salu Lima we
And
create
remember,
in our
they
hearts it
are amazing.
sweeping old and sweeping clean. Memories where love has been.
We'll see you in our next video.
Hands that guide through years untold, crafting gold from stories old, bringing life to humble palm where tradition. Childhood smiles shine so bright as they weave with pure delight. Lessons on the window soar, crafting brooms forevermore. Hey, yeah. Man, a spirit living through our veins. Our family traditions passed on from our names. Life's too short to focus on the pain. So I'ma go and grab the fam so we can hop onto a plane. Samoa, I'm on my way. We get into a battle play. Ohana full of love in our home sounds precious. Take a moment to capture a photo or ready for time at the moment. Oh yeah, family on a getaway. No schedules or complications. Be present, yeah, my time can't be wasted. I'm aiming for success, yeah, but family is the greatest, yeah. Pacifica, we family. Samoana, we family. Five Samoa, we family. Getting out to see the world with my family. Coming from California to New Zealand or Aussie. Samoana, AIGA'S, yeah, that's my mission. Flip the M.A.N.A and my family, let's go overseas. Auckland City, we meditating, yeah. At first I'm finna jump, hit the shores, hear the ukulele in my ears while I'm kicking rocks, watching brothers diving in the back, catching two outside the caves, kill the pig like Fia Umu, it's a fella lane.
Q&A for Riah and Shinehah and Daddy. Shinehah, what's your favorite dessert? Ice cream, what flavor? Chocolate. How about you, Riah? What's your favorite ice cream flavor? Oh, any kind? I thought it was vanilla. No? Okay. How about you, Daddy? What's your favorite ice cream flavor? Banana.
I like banana. I eat all
Okay.
of the flavors. Right
What is your favorite football team?
Ooh. I am a Denver Bronco fan.
Denver Bronco fan.
Die-hard fan.
How about you, Riah? Not yet. And you,
I
Shinehah?
don't know what
Do you have a football team?
I don't know what the football.
Not yet. What's mommy's favorite football team?
You are a Dallas Cowboy.
I'm a Dallas Cowboy girl. Yeah. All right.
Worst NFL team last year. This year.
They're the best. Okay, what's your favorite basketball team?
I'm a San Antonio Spurs fan.
Lakers! Lakers! At one point, I was a Utah Jazz fan, but that's when I lived in Utah. Well, let's see here. What is your favorite number? 8.
No, 1.
1.
7.
7.
4.
4. My favorite number is billion. Billion is my favorite number.
That's not my favorite number. I don't know what you're talking about.
Okay.
Daddy, this one's
Favorite color.
I have 2.
Okay, Shinehah.
Red and light blue.
Red and light blue. How about you, Riah?
my favorite color. Light pink and white.
Light pink and white. Okay. I thought it was blue the other day, Riah. You changed it again? Okay, hon, what's your favorite color?
Wait.
Hey, is that what you wear that all the time?
My favorite color is blue. Always and forever will be blue.
Is that why you have a blue
Second
phone?
favorite color is red. Okay, are we done with our broom?
Yes, we are.
Oh, so we're doing what's called a Salu Lima. It's not a broom, it's a broom.
Guys, do you know how to make a broom with your hands?
There you go. You just make a broom. Sweep your house. you can. No, you can't do that.
You can sasa. Okay, show your broom.
Okay, Shinehah, Riah, show the broom.
Show your sword. Show your sword.
There you go. That's
She
the
hit my
broom.
face.
It doesn't cost anything.
It cost
Yeah.
nothing.
It costs her time to make it. That's why mommy rather just buy it from the store.
Yeah.
Okay.
Make sure to stay awesome on me.
Goodbye. In Samoa, we like to call it Salu or Salu Lima. And there are many uses for this broom. You can sweep with it, use it as a defense weapon, or you can use it as a fly or mosquito who's water. Look, a fly! And there are more uses for this, but this is all I'm going to show you.
Telephone and spirits.
Are you ready for a challenge?
Today we're going to teach our kids how to play Aki. Aki is an old Samoan game that I used to play when I was a little girl. So, we're going to play Aki, stages 1 to 4, and we invite you, we actually challenge you to play Aki with us. Okay, so let's try. We're going to teach them first. This is stage 1. Oh, I lost that one. It's your opponent's turn. That was 1, now it's 2. Focus on the rock, Shane. That's cheating. You have to catch it with the same hand. Okay, mommy's turn again. One.
Oh! Oh! Go. Three. Oh!
Great job, Danny.
Yeah! 5.
Wow, he's gonna show you 5 too. Yeah! Okay, so we showed you how to play Aki, stages 1 to 5.
Now it's your turn.
All you need to do is record a video of yourself playing stages 1 to 5, just like we showed you, and include the hashtag M.A.N.A Spirits Aki Challenge 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so whoever has the best video might get a shout out and probably a little gift from us, right? Okay, so you're the champion right now. That means I gotta treat you, huh? What do you want?
I want
Nice painting. Nice painting. What do you want to say?
I want a trophy.
You want the trophy?
Yeah.
Okay. Here's your trophy. Fine. I'm gonna teach you one next one.
Hello from M.A.N.A Spirits. Hope you enjoyed today's video. I'll see you in our next adventure. And remember to stay awesome or amazing. Goodbye.